We on. Yeah, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bando Wealth, and I just want to make this a little quick video, quick video. I know a lot of people could be overwhelmed. A lot of trades going on, don't know what to trade. A lot of beginners still learning, don't know where to trade, how to start a trade, how to get in a trade, anything. I just want to make this quick video, real quick, just showing you a little bit about the harmonic scanner. I learned a little strategy. It's really simple. It's easy to learn. It's easy to teach. Um, and it's really working well for me. I want you guys to take full advantage of this. Everybody that's a member, platinum member, has advantage of this harmonic scanner. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys right now, and I just want to show you guys how easy this could be. All right. So, guys, see my screen. Let me get this out the way for you guys. All right. So, right here is the harmonic scanner. First of all, people who can't get here, you go to imcenter.com. You see this in my imcenter, guys. You go to products. Products, you go down. Every product that you have highlighted in color, you have access to. So you see the harmonics, click harmonics, it's down here. Click harmonics. Whoa. But yeah, you click harmonics and it'll log you in. All right. All right. So I just want to just start off on a couple of things. All right, let's see. All right. So basically this right here is the harmonic scanner. This yellow, what is the harmonic scanner? This yellow pattern right here is basically a harmonic. And this basically tells us that it's a good probability of a reversal coming up. And this reversal could give us a good trade. If you see on the right, the TPs is here, TPs 1, 2, and 3, the entries and the stop loss. You see on the right here, many different time frames is on. It's on your broker day frame, 4 hour to 15 minutes, many different patterns. Yeah, so yeah, many different patterns. But yes, this is harmonic scanner. Each one of them has this yellow pattern, and what does it do? It tells you a good probability of a reversal. So now if you look for reversal, so the strategy I'm going to teach you guys is pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Just how to spot a good entry, how to get your best entry, how to get your best entry in there, and how to take advantage of this. So what I'm going to show you right now is, if you look on the bottom, this indicator is the relative strength index, and this is basically going to help us spot divergence. This is our step number one, divergence, spotting divergence. Feel me? So if you look from the X point, first thing I want you guys to do is go up here. Gonna grab your vertical line, and you see the X point. I want you to just mark that X point down in the RSI. Feel me? I like to have my darker color, and of course thick, so you can see. The same thing with the X, we mark it. D, we're gonna mark it. So boom. So now I have my two vertical lines on the RSI. Bando, what the hell are we doing? We're gonna spot divergence. So this is so easy. If you could just spot this simple thing right here, all right? So if you see from the X point to the D point, it's a horizontal line, of course, but what is it going? It's going up, correct? Now, you go down to your RSI. Look at the point where the RSI crossed your line, right here. Look at the point where the RSI crossed your D mark, right here. Let's draw a trend line. Let's draw a trend line to make this a little bit more accurate, right? To both points, right? I like to make mine dark. All right, bet, boom. So if we look at the harmonic, we see from the X to the D point is going and that's going up, correct? We look at the same pattern. We marked our X point, we marked our D point with the vertical lines. We drew the trend from point to point. This is going up. This is going down. Ladies and gentlemen, you have spotted divergence in the market. You feel me? Reversal is definitely coming. Reversal is definitely coming. So the next step. So step one, we spot the divergence. We draw the lines up on the bottom. Spot the divergence. All right, it's coming. We could just We get that out of the way now. All right, right. Step two, what we're doing, we're gonna draw a trend line from the high, which is usually the C point, and we're gonna respect this trend. So what's going on right here? You see this? Yes, 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 yes. We're gonna respect. I hate this. All right, we're gonna respect this trend. We're gonna respect this trend. Now, Bando, when do you enter? When do you enter? All we're doing right now is we're waiting for price to cross this trend line. Once price crosses this trend line, and when I mean cross, it crosses and closes above this trend line. Or if it was in the sell, it closes below. Once it crosses and closes on the other side of the trend line, that's when we get in. However, we only get in with a micro lot, a 0.01 mini, 10 cents per pip. We don't want to risk too much because we want to set up for a bigger trade. You feel me? So let's just say price eventually came down and went up. It crossed right at this line right here, right? It crossed. I just entered. I entered my micro mini, whatever you call it, the 10 cents per pip. I only entered the 10 cents per pip. I entered, and boom, what happens? It's retesting, it's drawn back, my screen is red, and I'm waiting. However, I'm in that trade. My initial stop loss could be the one that they give us. That is a little bit too high for me. I'll personally go right under this low at D. But yeah, so I'll enter. I'll get in. And once my screen starts to turn blue, oh, I'm positive now. That's when I enter with my real lot size. So let's say I entered at this point with my 10 cents per pip lot. I'm in, it goes red, it draws back down a little bit, it comes back up, and now my screen is blue. I'm positive about 20 cents. I enter with my big lot size, with my main lot size. Now my main account, my lot size, let's say you enter with a standard lot, okay, $10 per pip. On your big lot size move, you only, and this is very important, you only want 10 pips and then you're done. You're out the trade. You feel me? So let's say you would have entered around this area. Matter of fact, let me back test this on another chart. Let me back test this on another chart. Random. Let's look at this crab. Ah, perfect. So what's my first thing I'm doing, guys? I'm spotting divergence. Right? Spotting divergence. Boom. Boom. All right. From this point to this point. Whoa, to this one. Actually, this one already. You see it's going up. That's going up. That's going down. All right, I'm out of here. What's next? I'm drawing my trend. Drawing my trend from the C point. I'm going down. What happens? Big shoot up. Big shoot up, right? I only enter at the close too. So just like I said, it could go past and come back down and not close above. So once it closes above, at this point right here, it closed above. Do you see this, guys? Closed above. All right. So at this point right now, let me mark this for you. At this point right here, I entered. At that point, at green point right there, I entered at the close of the candle. I entered with my 10 cents per pip lot. All right. I don't know if you could see, it retraced a little bit, went back down, came back down a little bit. All right, that's cool. My screen is red. But once it started to come up, I entered with my big lot. So let's say your big lot could be your 50 cents per trade. Your big lot could be $1 per trade. Your big lot could be $5 per trade. Your big lot could be $10 per trade. Whatever is good risk management. I would say no more than 5%. But let's just say, pretty soon in the future, you guys are gonna be taking big trades. You feel me? So you enter with your 10 cents per pip. All right, copy, boom. It's red. My screen is red. All right, cool. I'm waiting. Screen turns blue. I'm up like about 20 cents. All right, I enter at this green line, right? I enter at this green line. I only want 10 pips. I enter this green line, only want 10 pips. Will I have hit my 10 pips? This is a 4-hour chart, guys. So of course I will definitely look. I would have hit this and I would have hit 10 pips in under in about 8 hours. This is a 4 hour chart. You know what I mean? So I would have took that. I would have got out. I could either got out right there at that point. I would have closed my 10 cents per pip. I would have look. I would close that with about $1. I would have closed my 10 pips. That's $100, guys. $100 in about